GoGo Travel Mobility is getting even lighter. Say hello to the GoGo Endurance AL Plus scooter, which is full of premium features and designed to accompany you on all your travels near and far. We'll break it down for you on this edition of Mastering Mobility. First of all, the name. With a similar design to the GoGo Endurance Li, this one also carries the Endurance tag. The AL is because this scooter is supported by an aluminum frame, and the Plus is for all the unique features you're getting with this model. Because of its aluminum frame, the Endurance AL Plus is lighter than its predecessor. Our Feather Touch disassembly function separates the unit into 5 pieces, the heaviest of which is just over 35 pounds, making it convenient for storage and transport. But there's so much more to like about this scooter. It incorporates our patented Easy Turn technology for tight 3-wheel scooter turning ability. With our exclusive Charge 360 magnetic charger, only minimal dexterity is required to connect it, with no need to line up any pins. This easily adjustable tiller mechanism can be operated with your hand or foot to discover your ideal driving position. And with its standard 8 amp-hour lithium battery, this scooter is perfect for any form of travel, by car, bus, or plane. Other features include front and rear lighting and a USB charging port in the tiller. And several accessories are available to complement your ride, such as rear view mirrors, a cell phone holder, and a rear basket. GoGo Travel Mobility is all about quality and innovation. These breakthrough features are complemented by the most rigorous testing standards in the industry, so you can be assured that you're getting the very best in power mobility with the GoGo Endurance AL Plus. Head to PrideMobility.com to learn more.